Did you know that actually you want to grow your business or increase revenue? Number one thing, in my opinion, is training your staff to have high income skill. What I mean that they have the skill matching with client need. That is, make client happy, make client feel satisfied with their hair, that make client come back, but also recommend new people, new client into your business, and also give you high value review for your business. And that is how you can grow your business or increase revenue. So if you need help, I have the master class and the launching coming soon, Balaya launching. Click to my bio.